Morning. How good is this bloody weather, eh? It's beautiful, isn't it? Although I'm stuck in my office as usual, doing quotes, non-glamorous stuff. I did actually go see a job this morning, site survey over in Brighouse, but I was with the client. It was just hard to get a video and stuff, so I was wandering around taking measurements and seeing about some access control and everything he wanted on his new gates. A decent job actually. I think it was about 140, 150 metres in total, 3 sets of gates, so yeah, decent enough job. I must have in 5 minutes actually. Been sat down 2 hours in the office, but yeah, how good is this weather? It's just totally different, isn't it, when it's like this? You spring out of bed in the morning. We're still going to the gym at 5:30, so yeah, we're on with that. Coming on, I've lost about a stone, still doing well. So yeah, whilst I'm here actually, don't forget to like and subscribe, what we do. And yeah, so the guys are actually over in Sheffield today for our good friend Dave Beardo. Shout out to Dave. He passes a bit of work over there, over Sheffield way. This is actually a private job for him. I think it was his dad's house or something he's left him. I think he's doing it up or whatever, doing the garden. So yeah, we're fencing that off for him. So the lads are over there today. They hopefully should have some footage. We'll update you.
Right, good morning. We're over in Sheffield. Jamie's just sorting radio out for today. We've got 20 metres of feather edge to put in, 1.8 high. But look at that, it's absolutely beautiful today. Took about an hour and a half to get here this morning. We've had a butty, we're ready to go get these holes dug. So it's basically going all down this line here, out to end, and then we're just covering this section up here as well. So yeah, we'll keep you updated and let's see how we get on. So guys, we're just paling up now, just loading baggy out, get started. It's all railed up, 4 rails on this job, all the way up to end, and then just a little off-cut section there, and it'll be looking good once we're done.
Howdy, yeah, just think yard. We've had a bit of a scramble on this morning due to went to do a job for one of our contractors. We got there, it wasn't ready, so luckily we just had a little timber job come in, and then they've gone to do that, and it's actually more than we thought it was, so he's had to go down to timber suppliers again, so, and nip back some other stuff from the yard that we had in stock.
Wait till you see the no
He's burnt, look, don't forget to pick that up, Josh, on camera, how burnt he is with his little red arms. But yeah, it's glorious, meant to be glorious this week. I'm just waiting on a little delivery. And so I've got 4 trucks set up here, the little delivery that's coming for school next week that me and my wife Annie used to go to as kids, where we met all them years ago. It's a lot different now though. Yeah, will do. So yeah, he's just going back to see it, lads. I think it's BD4, it's not that far away. And yeah, I will carry on what I'm doing.
Alright, another job complete. Looking nice. Just going up on end. Looking very nice. It's absolutely boiling today. We've all roasted our you know what's off. But yeah, it's looking good. On where to end, on about getting some more done at some point here. All looking good. We've got Dave there who we're doing job for, and his brother. You love us, don't you? Always do good work here. There you go.
bodybuilders coming.
Right, well yeah, we're going to get off. Job's been a good one.
Just a new site this morning, just a little job over in near Bristol, 1.8 Palisade. Just getting sorted out now. We've got some gates going to go across here, out now here, so it's going to come off that existing along here. I'm just going to angle down a section of the gates, across there, angle it back up and then to there. And I think they're on about, they want the rest of this Harris fencing taking down. I'm just going to stack it for them over there. I think, reading at the signs there, going to be a load of new affordable housing going up on here apparently, so I'm not sure I'd have the Palisade here. Won't look that pretty, but I think they're just going to get it a bit more secure for when they start building. lovely day here at Airedale fencing. We love it when the sun's shining. Although we're a bit aching, aren't we, from gym Justice? we haven't back yesterday at gym, we're all knackered, but anyway, no pain, no gain, as I say. So yeah, we're just loading up, we're just waiting for the lads actually. They've just been finishing the Palisade job at Bristol, which they should have some footage. And we're just loading up here to go do a gate alteration for a gate at a school in Skipton that we did a few months ago now actually, but they've decided that they want it altering from where they originally wanted it. So we're just going to go over there and dig that out and maybe add a few panels so we can make a little recess for cars to pull in. The gates are already there and we're actually going to take our little digger with us. Just about a week or so ago I got brand new tracks on. Look, that's the old one there. One of these was actually knackered, so I got brand new tracks and got it all serviced, greased and what have you. Same with fork truck at the same time actually. So yeah, all funky dory, keeping up with health and safety and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully next time you see us we'll be over in Skipton.
So, good, well, midday, we just arrived on job. We've been a bit busy this morning. So what we're going to do is we're going to channel it. We're going to bring 2 panels up here, half panels, just to take for the hill. And then we're going to sit the gate here. And it has a bit of a swing then on both sides. And hopefully they'll have a little bit to just cut into, you know, because this road's absolutely crazy busy. But we've got Marc with us today. We're going to get on digger, loving life. And yeah, we're just going to, basically this post here, we're going to dig that out, dig that out, dig that out, replace, couple of extra panels, and we'll be out of here. I'm going to go get everything off at van and get cracked on. It shouldn't take us too long, couple of hours at least, and we'll be out of here. So, quick update guys, we're on with job. We're actually going to attach a little bit of mesh to the bottom of these gates just to take even more gap out. We're going to come across here, lads are digging other gate posts now, and then we're going to attach 2 half panels down that side, 2 half panels down that side, and the job's a good one.